Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest updates from the incredible Spotify Camp Nou. The stadium is evolving fast, and every corner tells a story of progress, passion, and football history in the making. You won't believe the massive changes happening right under our eyes. From the soaring roofs to the hidden corners, every detail is shaping the future of football. Let's take a closer look. High above the pitch, the third tier is almost complete. Tower cranes swing across the skyline, lifting prefabricated slabs and terrace panels into place. Some sections are already sealed with concrete, while others are reinforced with steel and formwork. If everything goes as planned, the top tier will be fully closed within the next few days, marking a major milestone in this massive project. Up here, the view already feels like the future of football. At the south goal and main tribune, the pace of work is relentless. Workers move in perfect coordination as cranes lift and drills echo through the structure. The VIP ring on the second floor is taking shape rapidly, and just below it, the future Barça Museum is being built. Tiles are laid, walls are covered, and spaces are finally starting to look like rooms, not just construction zones. Over at the north stand, the transformation is impossible to miss. The first parts of the upper seating tiers are visible, with trucks arriving non-stop carrying new prefabricated pieces. The crews work with clear intention, preparing for a special moment. On November 22nd, Barcelona might play its first official match back in this iconic ground, possibly against Athletic Club. Though it's not confirmed yet, hope is in the air. Everyone wants that first whistle to echo through the new Camp Nou as soon as possible. On the lateral section, activity continues without pause. Massive super columns are being built. Rebar is installed with precision, and formwork molds are set for the next concrete pours. Expansion joint pillars are almost ready to be sealed. It's steady progress that may not make headlines, but it forms the foundation for everything that follows. Across the entire site, there's a sense of momentum. Alveolar panels, prefabricated terraces, steel reinforcement, and concrete pumping all fit together like a giant mechanical heartbeat. The rhythm doesn't stop, not even on weekends. When cranes rise, trucks arrive, and pumps pour, it feels less like construction and more like a celebration of progress, precision, and pride. The parking area beneath the stadium is steadily taking shape. Workers are laying down concrete slabs to form the floors, while sturdy structural supports are being installed to ensure strength and stability. Access ramps for vehicles are gradually being built, making it easier for cars to move in and out once the stadium opens. Overall, the underground parking is transforming into a fully functional space, ready to handle the crowds on match days. Each day, the new Camp Nou rises higher. Steel turns into structure, concrete turns into terraces, and slowly, the stadium comes alive again. The dream is not just to build a stadium, it's to rebuild a home for millions of fans around the world, a place where the next generation will feel what it truly means to be part of Barça. When the lights turn on, the fans return, and the first ball rolls across the new pitch. It won't just mark a reopening, it will mark the beginning of a new era. That's all for today's update on the new Camp Nou. If you enjoyed this inside look, make sure to like, subscribe to the Global Mega Builds, and press the bell icon. Don't miss out on the latest progress as this iconic stadium continues to rise. See you in the next video.